In this SQL challenge, we are going to learn how to solve a medium-level difficulty problem called Find the top 5 cities with the most 5-star businesses from Yelp. The problem is not particularly difficult if you have some experience working with window functions. If you're new to SQL window function is a special type of function that performs calculations across a defined set of rows, called a window, related to the current row, allowing detailed analyses like rankings, moving averages, and cumulative sums without grouping rows. Now let's look at the description below. We are tasked to find the top 5 cities with the highest number of 5-star businesses. The output should include the city name and the total count of 5-star businesses in that city. We need to consider both open and closed businesses, and if 2 or more cities have the same rank, we should assign them the same rank and skip the next rank accordingly. And we're given a table called Yelp Business. To count cities with most 5-star business, we only need to use city and stars columns. To start, insert the select statement from the Yelp Business table. For the output, we want to return city, city count, and ranking by the city count using rank window function. Here, the order by count statement is how we are determining the ranking criteria based on the city count in descending order. Then group by the city column. Run the query. And we get an output with the city count and ranking for each city. The question is only asking for the top 5 cities with the most 5-star businesses. We need to filter the data set to return businesses that are rated 5 stars. And this is going to be the base data set we are going to use to answer the question. Now convert the output into a common table expression called dataset. And to solve this problem, select the first 5 cities and the city count from dataset, where ranking is less than or equals to 5. And that returns the 5 cities listed below. Click Check Solution to check if the answer is correct. So, looks like the question is actually asking to return the top 5 cities by the ranking rather than the first cities in the result. Let me get rid of the top 5 statement and try again. Okay, and this time the solution is correct. So yeah, trying to interpret the question requirement is a skill on its own. In a SQL interview, if you are not clear what the question is asking, always ask for clarification instead of guessing, like what I've done in this case. That is everything I am going to cover in this tutorial. Hopefully, you guys find this video useful. If you have any question, please post them in the comments below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.